The following texts are both about fishing. This text is from the point of view of
The following pronunciation is brought
Glory,
Glory.
glory,
Hello,
glory,
hello.
Okay, glory.
Who fishes from
Trout. Okay, it's this kind of fish. Yeah, this kind of fish. What's this?
and interrupt.
Good.
Interrupt.
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 Okay, call something to stop. Okay, good.
Trout.
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 You can spell.
Trout. Trout.
Yeah, it's kind of fish. It's trout. Okay. So, who fishes for?
Trout. It takes hours. It may take hours for a trout to bite my fishing line. But what's that?
That's fine.
That's fine. I enjoy standing in the river in my rubber boots. I
Cast.
cast.
Can throw it. Okay.
Just
Yeah, fish, trout. Okay. I
cast the line over and over those
these
long peaceful days of
trout.
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 Okay.
Don't
These long peaceful days of
trouting fishing are part of a safety satisfying summer. It's a peaceful, perfect day, evening, even
okay. What's this?
evening.
Why? What's that?
Even
Okay. Why it changed? I don't know. Sure, I change. Even. Okay. Okay.
even if I don't catch anything. This text is from an article in the
Camping bell. I don't know. Camping bell.
Campbell, John,
Journal.
Channel,
Campbell Journal. Okay, journal. It's like magazine. Journal. What's that?
Trout.
trout,
Trout.
trout,
Trout.
trout,
Trout.
trout,
It's a kind of fish. Okay,
trout,
journal.
Journal.
journal,
Journal.
journal,
Journal. Journal.
journal,
Yeah, I think it's a magazine.
a magazine,
Okay. Yeah, the magazine journal.
Journal.
Can I spell it?
Journal, journal,
Journal.
journal,
Okay. Okay. Campbell.
journal. This sense
Summer is
scenes
spring, summer, fall,
fall
winter. What are they?
season.
Good.
This season that here the help is good. New news for fishermen looking to make a
Profit.
profit.
Okay, you make money from something. Okay, that profit. Okay, you make money. What's that?
Journal,
Journal.
journal,
Journal.
journal,
Journal.
journal. A newspaper, a magazine,
Okay.
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit. Money that is made in a business
Through
through
investing. Okay.
The company made a profit this year.
Okay.
Profit.
Profit,
Can I spell it?
Profit, profit,
More.
profit, profit,
Profit.
profit.
Okay, profit. This season, there is a good news for fishermen looking to make a
Profit, profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit. Make a profit. Large harvests
good.
of fishing are fish are
Expected.
expected in the waters near
Campbell.
Campbell allowing a good catch for small and large companies alike. Fishermen may
Expect.
Expect full loads of different kinds of fish including
Cod. It's one kind of fish. Yeah, that fish. What's that?
prod, lip, fit, profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit,
Profit.
profit. The company made a profit this year.
Cod.
Cod,
Cod.
cod,
Cod.
cod,
Okay, smell.
C-O-D, cod.
Okay, this kind of fish, cod. Okay, including
Cod,
tuna. Do you like it? I think you like it. Yeah, this fish.
tuna,
Yeah, you see, usually eat like that. What's that?
cod,
Cod.
cod,
Cod.
cod,
Cod.
cod.
Yeah, we eat it here.
Tuna.
Tuna,
Tuna.
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna.
Okay. Yeah, tuna. So big, but usually we eat in can. That's tuna. Including cod,
Tuna and
salmon. Salmon. Okay. I think I eat. Yeah, salmon. Yeah, like that. Let's do a bite. What's that?
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna,
Tuna.
tuna.
Salmon.
Salmon,
Salmon.
salmon,
Salmon.
salmon.
Okay, different kind of fish. Okay. Okay.
How is the article others' point of view different from color?
I forget how to say it.
Gloe,
Glory.
Color,
gloe,
color. The article other describes fishing as a business. The article other makes fishing sound difficult. The article others make other makes fishing sound
Boring.
boring.
Okay, not interesting. Boring. So which one?
This one.
Okay. Yeah, they want to make profit, right? Yeah.
The following text both describe a hot air balloon race. This text is from the point of view of you.
I don't know. Hugo. Is it Hugo?
The following
Hugo, Hugo,